Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize who can chat with you in live on Tango. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Now click on the video icon with pink background. Now click on the settings icon in the right hand side of your screen. Here you can see who can chat option in the third place. Here if you select anyone, then anyone can chat with you in live. Similarly, if you select followers option, then only the people that follow you can chat with you in the live. So that is how you can customize who can chat with you in live on Tango. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.